Welcome to this practice for opening the shoulders and the hips. This can be really great if you sit a lot at a desk, or you've been traveling, or you just have stiffness around your shoulders, or you want to work on your posture. So let's begin by rolling the shoulders around, just taking an inhale forward and up, and exhale back and down. You can bend your elbows if you want. This can sometimes help to feel the shoulders a little more easily, up to you. Take kind of exaggerated movements, squeeze back, squeeze down. One more in this direction. Inhale forward, up, and then exhale back and down. Reverse that, go inhale and exhale. Going in reverse, back and up. And exhale down. If possible, breathe through your nose. Inhale, exhale. You can also breathe through your mouth or just breathe. One more. All right. So we'll take our palms facing down and raise the arms slowly to about shoulder height. And then turn the palms in and open the arms smoothly out to a T, stretching the chest. And exhale back to center. And down all the way. Okay, inhale, arms go halfway up and open. Just keep inhaling. And exhale back to center and press down, almost like you're pressing through water or mud. Inhale, inhale. Exhale, exhale. Keep your knees a little bit soft and your feet parallel. Inhale, legs stacked right under you. And exhale, and exhale. Okay, good. Now go ahead and turn your palms forward and just take one hand here. We're gonna take external arm rotation, actually. So start by turning your palms and your biceps forward, and then keep rotating. You can take one hand to your bicep and rotate the bicep to face out to the side wall, and your palm turns all the way facing out too. Do that on both arms and feel that, and then take your shoulders back and down a little bit. So we're really feeling open here through the chest in front of the shoulders. Now, take your palms, face them forward. We're gonna go the opposite to internal. Keep turning your hands and your biceps so that biceps eventually face inwards. And bring your shoulders a little forward, stretch your back. And good, and then reverse that again. Go external rotation, palms face out, shoulders back and down, gently. We wanna really feel them go down. And then go internal rotation, just rotate your hands and your palms and forearms. Stretch your shoulders a little forward and see if you can widen your back this time. You can look down if it helps, and stretch open the back and the back of the shoulders. Good. And do it one more time. Go external rotation, shoulders back and down. Good. And internal shoulders a little forward. Keep turning your whole arms. Make sure you're noticing those biceps. Feel stretch in your back and the back of the shoulders. Okay, good. And then just come back to the open position and relax. Relax there. Okay, and now we're going to take some head movements. So look down, tuck your chin, and then inhale, look up, and open from the right below your collarbones, the sternum out and up, and look up. And then come back to center. If any of the neck movements bother you, just start off slow and gentle for sure to check it out. So go look to the right and try to feel the stretch on the opposite side of your neck. And then back to center. And then look over to the left and feel that opposite side stretching. And center. Okay, good. And now right ear to your right shoulder. And bend your left elbow behind you. and take your right arm out to a T and then all the way over your head and gently place your hand on your left ear and relax both shoulders here. Try not to lean over with your spine, whole spine, but just a little bit around your neck in that bend. And then come back to center. Release the arms down. Other side, left ear to left shoulder. Right arm goes behind you. And the left hand goes out to a T overhead to the right ear. Relax the shoulders one at a time. Feel that big stretch for most people on your right side of your neck. And take a big breath. Good. And then come back to center and release both arms down. And then we'll do one arm internal, one arm external rotation. So similar to what you just did, you're going to turn your right palm forward and the bicep, roll it all the way out and pull your shoulder back and down as the other arm goes palm inward and then backward. Rotate that bicep inward. Now bring your left shoulder forward, the right shoulder back. Okay, and switch. So left arm goes bicep out, right arm bicep in, and right shoulder forward, left shoulder back. And then switch. So just taking that back and forth, and you can take the pace that works for you to really feel the two directions. Take some breaths, try to feel the stretches, and try to deepen the range of motion. So notice the biceps, each one, and notice the shoulders, each one. Okay. And last time. And relax, okay? All right, now take your arms and bend the elbows. So your hands face forward, and you're gonna take your arms and just reach up and lower. Reach up and lower. So you can inhale as you go up and exhale down, or the opposite, doesn't really matter. We're just feeling the shoulder heads warm up, the deltoids and the shoulder blades on the back. So notice that the shoulder blades are sliding up and down on your back. Okay, breathe. All right, and then release that all the way down. Okay, now go ahead and take your hands, bending the knees. I'm turning to the side so you can see. You're gonna bend the knees and just place your hands on your legs. We're gonna take cat-cow in the spine, standing. So we'll start with cat, rounding the back and tucking the chin. And we're going to kind of puff out through the back and really reach out into a stretch as we pull in the front side. And then go the opposite. So let your pelvis rotate forward, lift your sit bones, lift the heart. You can pull the shoulders back a little bit and look up gently. If anything hurts your spine or your neck, just go gently, and then you can increase the range of motion eventually. So that was cow, and now cat again. Rounding the back, pulling in the abdominals. You can suction in the abdominals as well. And then inhale, cow, look up. Open the heart, roll the shoulders back. And exhale to cat again, one more. You can also go at the pace that works for you. You could take more of these. In your cat, bring your shoulders a little forward. And one more cow, inhale. Try to breathe there and take the heart out and up. And good. Now, take your cow position, so this one, and then slide your hands down till your spine's about halfway down. We're gonna go to a neutral spine here. Keep your knees a little bent. Pull in the front ribs and the navel. And then from here, you're gonna fold all the way over the legs. You can place your hands on blocks if you have blocks, or keep the knees bent, or both, okay? Or if you're more open, hands can go all the way down. And then half forward bend from here. So bend your knees and go back to that kind of tabletop flat back position. Pull in the navel. Now go back down to your forward bend, exhaling. Let your head relax down. You can shake out the head gently, yes, and let the back of the neck really go, relaxing. And then back to half forward bend. Inhale, bend your knees. Now this time hold here, push the floor down with the legs slightly, bring your arms to an airplane T, and then push the floor away with the legs and hinge up to standing, and bring your arms all the way up. Find that external arm rotation, so roll the biceps out, reach the arms up, 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 and look up. Take a deep breath in, bring your hands to the heart center, and bring the hands down to the heart center. Pull in the navel. Now reach your arms back up overhead and interlace your fingers and bring your hands down behind your head. We're going to take cat, cow in a sense for the neck. So bringing your elbows forward, look down gently and gently round just in the upper back neck area. So be gentle here, check it out. Bring your shoulders and arms a little forward and puff out through the back a little, in the back of the neck and the upper back. Okay, do the opposite now. Bring your arms back and gently look up and rest your head in your hands. And you're opening across the shoulders and chest here. Okay, elbows in, round. Again, you can go at your own pace when you get a hang of this, when you get the hang. And bring your elbows back and inhale, look up gently. You can look up as far as you want, but don't overly squeeze the back of your neck. Relax your head in your hands and lengthen the neck. Okay, good. And then again, round and bring your elbows in and open. Look up. And then come back to neutral and bring the arms all the way down and just relax the arms a little bit. So when you do this routine over and over, you can take more repetitions of those when you get the hang of it. Bring your arms up and then interlace your fingers again here. And we're going to take the hands down and we'll take one arm, one elbow down, one elbow up. So it's kind of like the upper arm's doing a tricep stretch and the lower one is stretching the shoulder. Take your arms up and lower, pulling that bottom shoulder down. Inhale and exhale and inhale and exhale. And up and lower. So it's a little tricky to get the hands down behind the head and that top arm, forearm behind the head. So just kind of balance, taking your head slightly forward, but not too much as you go. All right, so last one. And go ahead and bring the arms down all the way. Okay, good. And now just go ahead and bring your hands to grab opposite forearms. So we'll take both arms here all the way up. A little more shoulder movement, stretching the shoulders, and bring the arms down. Inhale up, exhale down, and up. Down, exhale, two more. And one more. Okay, we'll do a few with the opposite grip. Just switch your hands on the other forearm. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, and two more. One more. Okay, release your arms down. And then take your arms out to a T, and one more shoulder mobility. You're gonna tap the back here. You don't have to bind or anything, just open and then switch, just finding the hands touching the back. So inhale and exhale, and inhale and exhale. If you want to go slower and hold in a bind, you could. Or you can just move in and out of the position. So some of the shoulder mobility movements, you'll feel a little fatigued in your shoulders. It is some work, and that will, change. You'll get used to the movements and adapt, and it will become less taxing on your shoulders, because it's strengthening your shoulders as well as opening them. Okay, last one. And then go ahead and bring the arms all the way down. Okay, and now just taking the arms forward. So we'll keep stretching the shoulders. Take your arms all the way up, getting ready for our next sun salute. And now reach your arms, keep your arms fairly straight, and reach back until you feel those shoulder blades kind of gently squeezing together. Inhale up, exhale back. Inhale up, and exhale back. Okay, and one more. Those feel good. Hopefully your shoulders are feeling more open already, and you are all done. Okay, great work. Please repeat this routine at least once a week, if not more. You can do parts of it. Hope to see you again soon in the next video, or check out my former videos. My name is Amira. Namaste. Have a beautiful day.